Hi everyone, I am Dr. Pooja Pandey Tripathi. I am a pelvic floor physiotherapist and today we are going to talk about perineal massage. आज हम perineal massage के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। क्या बात करने वाले हैं कि perineum क्या होता है, perineal massage क्या होता है, इसे कब करना चाहिए और कितना टाइम करना चाहिए और क्या चीजें यूज करनी चाहिए और कैसी पोजीशन में करना चाहिए. We will be talking about perineal massage. We'll be talking when to do, how much to do, what to be used for perineal massage, and basically when to do it. Okay. So generally perineum क्या होता है? What is perineum? So perineum is the area from the opening of vagina till anus. This whole area is called perineum. This area around is called perineum. Okay. Now, when the lady is pregnant, around 32 weeks is when we start thinking of delivery. So from 36 weeks to 42 weeks, even before 2 weeks earlier, there can be delivery anytime. So we have to prepare ourselves for delivery, and that's why we do something called perineal massage. Why this massage is necessary? Because if perineal massage is taken place, in case of vaginal delivery, the episiotomy, that means how much stitches which comes to vagina will be decreased marginally. Also the scar tissue will be of lesser and your body will be prepared for labor. So we basically try to loosen up this area. What should we use for perineal massage? We can use KY jelly. We can also use lubricant like oils. Olive oil and almond oil is one of my favorite. Some people also use organic coconut oil, but I would say 50-50 about it, because sometimes organic coconut oil also leads to some microbes. So that's why stick to almond oil and olive oil and only cold pressed organic oil. Prepare for massage. The first and foremost rule is to wash your hand properly. Make sure that you also wash your nails and wash every corner. Okay, so the hands is completely washed, and once it is washed, it is also important that you should dry your hand completely, because you will be using jelly or oil. So please dry your hands completely. The second very important point is that your nails should be cut. The nails are completely trimmed. That is very essential. Position you can do perineal massage, because you will have the stomach like this. It is very difficult to do in this position. Okay, so the best position is when you are actually taking bath. If you have a tub, then it's best, because you can have the warm water also in the tub, and you can be sitting in the tub nicely with the stomach, but your hands can go till here. Okay, the next position which you can do is basically lying down on the side with one leg open, so that your hands can go from front. And sometimes if the stomach is too much and you're not able to reach, then you can even reach from behind. You can also ask the help of your partner to do a perineal massage. Also sit comfortably in the potty seat. Take a stool so that your legs are slightly above and the vagina get open, and in this position also you can do the massage. So for doing the massage, first apply the oil nicely in your hand. Okay, it should be completely, lubricant should be properly. Even if you are using KY jelly, it should be nicely spread. The first thing is we should warm up the area. So from here you can try to bring it down. From here you can take it on the opposite direction. So this is how you massage around the vagina. Okay, you can even extend till anus and here and here. Now since we were taking it towards the opposite side, now we do it other side. Okay, so once it's warmed up and you feel that area is slightly warm, and you do the kneading around the perineum. You can also use your thumb and do the kneading around the perineum area, around here and here. Okay, since the area is restricted here, but it will be much easier to do it on the area. Now once you're done that, you will basically try to insert your 2 thumbs here or finger here and try to push it down. Since this is a fixed area, it is not going inside. How much you can go inside? Around 1.5 inch you should go inside. So if, for example, this is the vagina, I basically try to pull it down and relax, pull it down and relax, pull it down and relax. Also around the vaginal border, I do the kneading. I insert 2 fingers and stretch it both the sides and the other side and hold it. Again do the kneading and try to loosen that area, loosen it. Again stretch this way and this way and this way. These are the 3 stretches. How much you should do this massage? You should do this massage for 2 to 5 minutes. How many times? You can do it twice in a week, and if you are comfortable, then you can even make it thrice. You should not have any tingling sensations while doing the massage. If you are developing tingling sensation or too much of discomfort, you should stop doing the massage. So perineal massage is very, very good. If you are 32 weeks pregnant, you can take a consent from your gynecologist and start preparing for your labor. So happy labor and happy delivery. And if you like the video, please share and please post your comments so that we can make similar video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share the videos, like the video and press the bell icon. Witness your fitness with us.